La maqela mabini, iChippa United kunye neRichards Bay FC, agqibele ukungquzulana kumdlalo wePremier Soccer League ngenyanga yeThupha kunyaka ophelileyo, nalapho iChilli Boys yabethwa ngenqaku 1-0 kude nekhaya. Kungoku nje, eli qela lasekhaya lihleli kwindawo ye-14 ngamanqaku ali-15 yaye lishiywe ngamanqaku amane yiNatal Rich Boys ekwindawo yesi-9 neza kujongana nayo. Umqeqeshi weChilli Boys uVusumuzi Vilakazi uthi bawulungiselele lo mdlalo.
No, I think our preparations are going very well. Obviously, we'll be facing Richards Bay, who are on form. They've won their game, last game. So, but I think because we are playing at home and we need to take advantage of that. Last time when we played at home, we managed to collect 3 points. And I think we are in different situation with the Richards Bay, so we want it more than them. But we'll have to plan accordingly in terms of making sure that on the day we are victorious.
Unozinti weChilli Boys uDumisani Msibi uthi baza kuzinikela kulo mdlalo.
Absolutely. We don't have to wait for any game, to be honest. We know where we are and we know what is required from where we are. So I will say we are as ready as any game. Yeah, we had a very short period of time to go home and rest because we were preparing for the second round of the season, given our circumstance before we closed. And then I think we used that time very well to prepare the team. And for us to do the way we are doing so far, and I think it's the dividends of where we're coming from in terms of the sacrifice that we have made during the December break.
Amagqala ebhola ekhatywayo eMzantsi Afrika uKatlego Mphela kunye noLebohang Mokoena bathi izinga lebhola kwi-PSL liphakamile ngakumbi ngoku.
It'll be a tough one. I mean, I was looking at the cup games as well. Yes, Chippa's knocked out of the Nedbank Cup. Richards Bay actually had a huge fight in Blom. You know, I think that gives them a bit of confidence coming into this game. You know, playing a team that just got knocked out of the cup. They're a little bit high in spirits because I mean they've been coming from behind in that match. You know, the last match they played, so they showed character. So it is going to be an exciting one, you know.
Yeah, an exciting one. Both teams at the bottom of the league, you know, trying to avoid relegation. Then both teams, I think, they've been struggling to score goals and to keep clean sheet consistently. So it's up to them. I mean, it's a battle of bottom teams. Whoever's gonna win. I think if Chippa wins, they go to four positions above. So it's an exciting league so far, and like I said, the dial-up fixtures, they're always exciting, you know, because you get to reward the supporters for their passion and loyalty of the game. So let's hope for more goals and more exciting, the exciting match.
Lo mdlalo phakathi kweChilli Boys neNatal Rich Boys uza kuqala ngentsimbi yesithathu kwibala iBuffalo City ngoMgqibelo kuGompo. Kwiindaba zeMPK TV, ndinguLinge Gcwabe eGqeberha.